good stuff, man. It can always work. It's not gonna work.
That's pretty big.
Little bit.
That's pretty big.
What are we talking about? I don't know. Can you hear me? Yeah, we printed a small sticker for the shop here. Ended up being 25 feet. It's gonna go on this wall right here. So in all of our fresh photos, we can see the freaking brand name. Don't really know how we're gonna install it yet. We have this scissor lift till 3 p.m. That's gonna be, I like big stickers. I'm not opposed to big stickers.
You can put it on the front of the building.
That would be sick.
The neighbors would love that.
Yeah, Priime. Hey, we're here. Not sure that's normal, but
right?
supposedly it is. I got the lowdown. Hey, it's just a catch can. So that's a daily project for young Cleeter. Unreal. I get to drive this unit today. Hopefully I can see over the steering wheel. But yeah, record time, the guys just knocked this out. This was like 5 years old, aged. Now it just looks minty. So Andrew and I, we are gonna head to the Freedom Factory. The KlutchKickers series is this year. All 5 events are at the Freedom Factory this year, so they're practicing some of those layouts. I don't know if you guys saw the pictures with the drawings that they did. They're actually testing those all today. So Andrew and I are gonna go kind of watch along, see what they're doing, see which ones turn out the best, because we're responsible for all the camera angles, all the production for these elements. It's definitely good for us to have some fun and also learn about what is gonna be happening. So, all right, well, see you later. Feeling good, feeling real good. All right, let's get after it. I'll get it, I'll get the gas for you. Yeah, I can barely see out the door. It's literally eye level. I turn to my left and it's just door panel. I gotta add a few inches. Booster seat next time, I promise you that much. You know the old standard issue GM where it thinks the tank is full when it's not? You know, like when you have ketchup and you stand up? It's kind of like that game. This is good stuff, man. Quality content. Or just be like, can you even see me? Probably one of the better cars in the market today. Unfortunately, it sounds like I have a pool pump in the back. Just a lot of noises going on, man. Great drivability, but it's really all you could ask for. God damn it, now this fuel level's low. No, but for real, for a 1,000 horsepower car, the drivability right now feels like a 950 horsepower car. Overall, nice car, give it a 3 out of 10.
Great, dude.
Yeah.
That was fast as shit.
Yeah.
Dude, it looks so much better.
Yeah, it looks sweet. Where, do you want me to bring it to the shop?
I'm gonna take it right here.
Alrighty, mission accomplished. I should have done that. That's me driving.
Is it?
Yeah, it's basically how I drove here, dude. It just, I don't know if it gets better than this. I peaked with that car. Walk away. And walk out of frame. How you doing, boss? You alright?
How you doing? How's it going?
Not bad. 12 feet.
We have. Sorry, go ahead.
No, do your thing, bro.
Yeah, that's.
I know once you get started, you don't stop. So.
Another time.
I want like De Niro's face. Robert De Niro with that. Hey, what do you want me to do? Cannoli? All right, whatever. What were you saying?
Kind of loud.
It's loud here.
Yeah, a little bit.
pretty cool. Right now we're watching them drive some of the test layouts, and it's good for us to watch because we can kind of figure out where we want to place cameras and how we want the show to look just by watching a practice run. So for the specific route that you guys just watched a couple clips from, we're thinking like ground camera with the drivers as they kind of start their pass. Long lens pickup through the first bank, second long lens pickup from the bank through this second inner bank. FPV will then pick that up and do that super tight, I don't really know what it is. It's just like an infield loop almost. And then it would be FPV up on that really close. Then probably an Inspire 2, a larger drone shot of the event. That'll kind of end the run, and then we'll go to the booth. And then we'll just do that over and over and over and over again. So this is fun though. This is cool. This is gonna be the first series from start to finish that we cover, you know, where we're really managing a lot of the elements of the production, whether it's some of the branding aspects, some of the print material, and also like what you guys are seeing on the feed. So it's gonna be super fun to work with the KlutchKickers team to figure out if what we're thinking kind of matches with what the look they're going for. So step one, we're a few months out, but this is how you gotta do it. You gotta test, you gotta learn. And I don't know how much I learned today, to be honest, but it sounded good. All right. See you later. Is that too tall? So you gotta keep one side of the, so you have your midpoint. Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. Right in the front.
Oh, that's, you're not gonna, no. That's not gonna work.
It's not gonna work.
Put it back, put it back.
So that does it. We got the scissor lift, we got the sign up, we got the ceiling fixed. Productive day here, dude. Now it's time to bring it back. Heavy machinery is fun, except for the beeping. Not fun. That's the best part. You've been good to us. I appreciate you and your effort. Till next time. Till next time. Till next time.